Hi friends, this is Nagesho. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show how to add a web link in the web page using HTML. There are two ways to add links in the web page. First one is linking to outside web pages, and second one is linking the section within the web page. In this video, I will show you linking the outside web pages. Open web page with Notepad++. In the body section, please type paragraph. Normally links are added with anchor element. Please type anchor element and add the closing tag for anchor element. In between this, I want to add ITbot143. This is my YouTube channel name, and after this please add the closing tag for paragraph. Now come to file and please save this. Open your web page, and here we got ITbot143. Now I want to link this with my YouTube channel. Again come to Notepad++. For adding links within the anchor, please type a attribute called href equal to, within the inverted commas we need to add the web page link. Please type starting inverted comma. After this we need to add the web page link and close the inverted commas. Again please save this. Come to the web page and please reload this, and here we got the link, and click on the link. It will direct it to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel ITbot143. Come back again. Before the link I want to add some text. Come to Notepad++. Here I want to type please visit my YouTube channel, and please save this. Again come to the web page, please reload this. Now we got the text, please visit my YouTube channel, and followed by the link. Here text will not be included in the link because we have created this before the anchor. Like this we can add outside web pages in the web page using HTML. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.